crap do you call this pattern? I mean, seriously, the market is trying to shake people out so badly. I mean, literally, we had like a week of only going up. We thought the market was reversing, and in literally 2 hours or a single day, all of the wins was completely wiped out. Okay. And then today, I mean, everything is just back. So, you know, is the market just freaking out, or is there a key resistance that we have been touching now for a couple weeks that we need to get above? And in this video, I'm going to show you what might happen when we get above this chart and where we might go to. Hey guys, welcome back to another JSpizzle Crypto YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about what has happened over the last few days, how choppy it's been, and I'm going to be doing some TA and talk about where it might go. Let's get right into the video. So again, oh man, has this been rough? Zooming out to the 4 hourly, you can see that I have these two trend lines right here. Both are very, very relevant, and I will show you why they are so relevant. If you zoom out to the weekly, you can see that there was this line of resistance and support so many times. Look, these are weekly touches. It keeps coming back and touching it, touching it, touching it. And so right now, what we are seeing is we are seeing a retest of this, If we can come back and concretely come above this, that will be a confirmation of us changing the short-term trend. The short-term trend is down. The mid to long-term trend is still up. Okay, we did not hit a lower low. So we have a higher low right here, around 80,500, opposed to 74,700. So if we can get above this, I think that it's going to be a pretty clear run back up to this resistance right here, which is around 108,000. Now, we also have the 50 SMA right here, simple moving average, around 102,000 or 102,500. This might as well be some resistance, because you can see that for a very long time. You can see since March of 2023, we have came down on this 50 SMA, which is a moving average, and gotten support again and again. And that's why so many people were saying it's over whenever we fell through here. Maybe it was the biggest bull trap ever, and we're about to come back up and retest it. One thing's for sure, if we can concretely come back above this, we have a really, really good chance of coming back up. Now, again, with Bitcoin dominance, you can see it is absolutely skyrocketing right now, which does not necessarily mean that altcoins are going to go down. That just means that Bitcoin is taking the lead, that altcoins could still be going up. They're just not going up as much as Bitcoin. You can see SUI is up 19% today. Pump Fund, which I actually have a long in right now, is up 17%. I put in a trade over a week ago at the literal bottom of Pump Fund, and it went up for a week, crashed down in that choppy crash, okay, to a point where I was in a negative, to now coming back up into all-time high. Last I looked, I'm around $1,800 profit, 250% my initial investment. But besides that, you can see ADA is up 15%, Pepe Coin 11, Chainlink 11. The market is booming. So, just because Bitcoin dominance is going up does not mean that altcoins are going down. Quite the opposite, as you can see. So, over on WEEX, I am planning on opening a Bitcoin position, but we have to mark these checks right here. Watch very, very carefully. We have to concretely come above this resistance right here, which is 91,900. We need to concretely come above it. I'd like to see at least 92,500. That is not the confirmation. That's one of them. The next one is we would need to see a high volume candle, more than normal. Then we need to see a retest. We need to come up and then back down. Kind of like here, we went up. This was a concrete breakout, and then come back down to retest it. But then you need a third candle to come back up above the previous candle body sticks, come up with a new high. That is the last confirmation. See, people were taking the trades here, and they did not wait for the bounce down, the retest, and then come back up. And people got wrecked. And we tried again here, and then we ultimately failed. So what we're looking for is we're looking for a concrete breakup, $92,500 or more, retest back here to this trend line, okay, and then come back up above where it went prior, wherever that may be, and then and only then is it a safe play to put a trade in. I will be looking to do that trade, and I'll likely have a nice 20-30x trade, whatever it may be, but I'd like to have my stop loss right here at this other significant trend line, and you saw on the weekly why it was significant, even getting support perfectly in all these touches right here. But that's all I have for today. Rocking my Padre merch, dug it out, so looking good. Make sure you sign up with my Padre link, 35% cash back, plus with my link only, you get an additional $1,000 with every $1 million in bonus that you guys do. So it's really like a 45% cash back, the highest that Padre is offering on the market right now. That's all I have for today, guys. God bless you guys. Until the next one, we'll see you then. Bye-bye.